Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, tow hitch, front tow hooks, an alarm system, roof rails, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find adjustable lumbar seats, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, parking sensors. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."